Assignment. Packaging. Assignment. Yes, sir, I got.
Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir, I got.
Okay.
Sir, I not got.
See it again.
Sir, I
Beta.
not got.
It is an assignment. Refresh it. You will get it. Sir, we have to be in the meeting or we should do a paper.
No. You continue on the Zoom. You do. Continue your paper, doing your paper, but do not leave the
Okay, sir.
meeting. No one has to leave the meeting.
Okay, sir.
Mute yourself.
Every
You can do it on your paper or your copy, whatever you have. Okay, and submit to me. In the same app.
Sir, I not got.
I am. Beta, refresh again. Refresh everything. Okay, I am sharing the screen also. Okay. Refresh it again. Refresh all the data. Okay, you will have see that.
Hello, sir. Assalamualaikum, sir. Sir, can you show me paper?
Okay, I am showing it to you. Okay, this is visible to you. Okay, you have.
Yes, sir. It is seen. I can see it.
You can check in the app also, and I am also share the screen. Okay, you have to write. Beta, don't waste your time. Exactly after 45 minutes, I will. After 45 minutes, I will not accept the paper.
I'm writing directly.
Sir, we can write directly question only.
Yes, beta.
Sir, we have to write only answer.
Yeah, beta, please write on the answers. Okay, do not copy. Just fill the blanks and answer MCQs. Only give me the answer.
जल्दी बताओ यार. Sir, we have to write question.
No. Just answer it. Beta, do not speak in
Okay,
Urdu.
sir.
Okay, mute yourself. If you want to ask something, then unmute. Okay. The first question yes, you continue your work. I'm just reading so that everyone can understand. Give one word for the following. Okay. The first thing, the question is a food preservative used in sauces and pickles. This is your first question. Yes. And second one is that name the type. Please unmute yourself. Okay, mute yourself. No one. I don't want to listen any background voices. The second question is name the type of glass used in making optical instruments, electric bulbs and artificial gems. Okay, third question is name two examples of thermosetting plastic. Okay, the fourth one is which class of medicine are used to prevent or cure allergic reactions. The fifth question is name two examples of natural fibers. Sixth one is name the scientist who was founder of Nobel Prize. Okay, seventh one is mute yourself. Name the chemical used to remove stains from woolen clothes. Eighth one is write two advantages of synthetic fiber. Ninth one is name the ingredients of paints. Number 10 is name the scientist who discovered the process of pasteurization. So this part is consist of 10 marks. Okay. Just start doing the work. Okay, don't waste time. Yes. Beta, your not voice is not coming. Mute everyone. Everyone mute yourself. Yes, beta, ask me what you're asking.
We have to write questions also, sir.
No, but just you have to write the answers. Need not to write questions. Okay.
In the class.
Beta, I'm saying everyone, most of Ayan, Faizan, mute yourself. Fayyaz, Hassan, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Mute everyone. Mute.
Sir, I have muted myself.
No one has to write the questions because questions is already on your screen and on your app. Just write down the answers only. Okay. Write proper question number, your name. Okay. Question number should be properly mentioned. All of you.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Hello, Islam beta. What? Yes. What happened? Any problem?
No, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me.
No.
Beta, if you don't have, please mute yourself. Everyone.
We have to write example also. Sir, we have to write example also. Sir, we have to write example also. Sir. Arey, do what is it? Sir, we have to write example also.
Sir, please can I leave the meeting because I'm writing and in between it is coming connecting to the Zoom, and I'm being disturbed.
Yes, beta. No one leave the meeting in between. Only after completing the test, you have to leave the meeting.
Sir, on the MS Educator app, the test PDF is not there. So, sir, I can post the answers on your personal number.
No, beta. Please submit it on the Alig app.
Sir, it is not there. The PDF of the test is not there, sir. I cannot see it.
Third row.
Yes.
Sir, we have to write example also.
Beta, it is given the question. You have to write the two examples in the question number 3. Okay, in question number 5 also, there you have to name two examples of natural fibers. The questions, as the question is going to say that you have to give the examples, and you have to give the examples. This is a question to have to give two examples of thermostatic plastic, as it is given in question number 3, and question number 5 also. You have to name two examples of natural fibers.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the PDF of the test is not in the IMS ALG app. Then please can
Sir,
I
I can
send
also not see that.
It is in the fifth
Sir, me
assignment.
do it not there in my mobile.
please show fourth question in fill in the blanks? Sir? Sir, please show fourth question in the fill in the blanks. Sir, please show fourth question in the fill in the blanks.
Yes, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please show give one word.
Okay. Is it clear?
Sir, fine. Sir, fine.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Yes, friends. Do you have any kind of problem? Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Sir, Alhamdulillah, paper was very much easy. I have submitted.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. That's nice.
Excuse me, sir, can I do the paper? After some time?
Yes, Saiful, what happened to you? You are raising the hand. Is any kind of problem? Yes. Okay, good.
Sir, I have a problem.
Yes, please, but tell.
In the give one word for the following. Question number 9, name the ingredients of paint. So, sir, in this one, we have to give the ingredients of oil-based paints or natural paints.
You have to give the ingredients of basic paints. Okay. Only basic
Okay, sir.
paints are there. Okay, so you have to name them. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, in question number 5, you have written 2 times beetroot.
Yes, Rukaiya, in question number 5, give one words. No?
No, with this multiple choice question.
Multiple question. In question number 5, oldest natural dye is. In the 4 given options, you have beetroot.
You have written.
Okay,
You have written.
beetroot is written twice. Okay. So, oldest natural dye. Okay. So, leave this question. Okay. Or I'll add, leave this. I'll edit it. Okay.
Lines are there.
In fourth, you listen. In the fourth MCQ question, that is multiple choice question, the fourth one is none.
Sir, we have to leave our 9th one question.
No, nothing will. You have to leave the question. In the fourth question, in the fifth question of MCQ, the oldest natural dye. The first option is beetroot. Second option is saffron. The third option is indigo, and the fourth option is none of them. Beetroot I written twice. It is given by mistake. So put NONE, none, and option D. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what?
Tell me how to submit, where it is your assignment.
Go to the assessment. Okay.
From where is this assessment?
Okay, I'm telling you these steps how to submit it. Open the app. Okay. Go to batches. Okay. Then as you are submitting your assignment, in the same way, you submit it.
Sir, submitted the paper.
Okay. That's good. Okay, I am editing this thing. Okay. This option.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please.
Sir, I'm writing with pen, so is it okay?
What?
Sir, please show the
writing with a pen, sir.
screen.
It's okay, but what's the reason for using?
What, sir?
What's the you are writing with pencil?
No, sir, pen.
Okay, okay.
Pen.
Sir,
Okay.
please show the screen.
Okay, beta, wait for a second. Just I'm editing the last option as it is repeated twice. Beetroot. Okay.
Sir, I didn't get. Sir, please assign one more time on that assignment.
What problem you are facing in submitting the paper?
Sir, please give the screen.
Beta, wait for a second. What question I'm telling you? What question you are asking?
Sir, please give the screen. Sir, we are
Okay,
not.
okay. I'm sharing the screen. Okay, is it shared? You saw it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, wait for a second. Okay. Yes. Is it visible to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Tell me.
Yes.
Okay, I have corrected the option in question number 5 of MCQ. The oldest natural dye is number 1 option is A option is beetroot, B option is saffron, C option is indigo, and D option is none. Okay, before none it is written beetroot again. So I corrected. Now you can see it. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Sir, I
Sir, I'm not understanding the second fill in the blanks.
You're okay. In the second fill in the blank, sodium lauryl sulfate in forming cosmetics like means where this thing is used in forming cosmetics. Okay, you have
sir.
to write the in which forming cosmetic it is used.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, I'm not getting question. Fill in the blanks. Question number 4.
Okay, beta. Question number 4 says that blank is a major component of natural gas and compressed gas. Which is the major component of natural gas and compressed gas that you have to fill in that. Okay, the name of the major component which is present in natural gas as well as in compressed natural gas.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, do it, hurry up. 15 minutes are left.
Sir, I have submitted.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah.
Sir, I'm sending you on WhatsApp.
So, okay. Beta, all of you, please mention the question number. Okay, clearly. Yes, Ayan Zubair. Yes, please tell me what you are going to ask. What's the problem?
Answer.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
I want to say fill in the blank. Third question, we can write any natural fiber.
Yes, beta. You have to write any of the natural fiber. Please mute. Who is
Sir,
unmuting the thing?
can you please show the choose the correct option? Question number first.
Question number 1 in MCQ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, in MCQ. Who
Sir, is this
said?
going to-
Yes, beta. In question number 1, you have to take the correct answer. The question is who set up first chemical factory in India? These are 4 names given to you. In 4 names, you have to give the name who set up the first chemical factory in India. Is it clear, beta?
Sir, only 5 fill in the blanks are there.
Yes, 5 film. This 5 blanks consist of 5 marks. This multiple questions consist of 5 marks, and this one word consists of 10 marks.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you show fill in the blank?
Assigned an assignment and you are instead of chemistry, you are reading physics.
Sir, I have submitted the paper. Sir, I have submitted the paper on IMS Legal app.
Sir, Assalamualaikum, sir. Sir, I have submitted my exam. Sir, I have submitted my exam.
Yes, beta, how's your test? Is it good?
Sir, I have submitted, sir, the exam.
Sir, I have also submitted. It was too easy.
Sir, it was too easy.
Mashallah. Beta, these small things, na, these small things you
Yes, sir,
forget. That's why I'm asking such small things. In this chapter, very important thing is to remember the names of the chemicals, natural things.
Yes, sir.
Full
Especially some medicines.
full forms, medicines. Okay. So I corrected if physics, instead of physics, I write chemistry. Okay, is it clear? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Sir, it was very easy.
Check, I have submitted on your.
Beta, if it is unable to submit, then only okay, because I want all the students to submit using app and submit it on there. If
Sir, I
really-
have submitted on the app. It was submitted.
okay, listen to me carefully. So in this way, your preparation is good if you remember the things. Okay, so
Sir, the paper was so easy. I have submitted at 11:43.
oh, mashallah, that's too early. It's okay. It shows that you are preparing for the assessment exams. Okay. What actually everything is reflected. It shows your preparation. It's your shows your interest also. Because interest develops, then you will do preparations. Okay. Mashallah.
Okay,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Mashallah.
Sir, I have sent you on WhatsApp, please.
Sir, paper was
Sir,
very
I have
easy.
time, but
11:45.
Sir, I can send on your personal number.
Yes, Rukaiya, please ask me what happened, beta.
Sir, I am Fayyaz, sir. I want to say that, sir, I try many times, but I cannot share PDF in IMS Aligarh app.
You didn't saw the PDF.
Sir, what is this going on? Your voice is not coming.
Now it's coming, beta. Everyone is. I'm answering to the students.
Yes, sir, it is coming. You might be having internet connection problem.
Sir, come.
Sir, I have time. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Walaikum
yes.
salam.
Sometimes.
sir, I have sent my PDF on your personal contact, sir. Please check it.
Beta, I will check it and uploaded the marks later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, only around 6-7 minutes are left. 50 around 10, 12 minutes are left, beta. Okay, 12 minutes are left only. Hurry up. Yes,
Sir,
I
I have
saw.
submitted
Yes,
my
yes, I saw many students have submitted.
Sir, please show the question.
Sir, I have submitted. Sir, I
What?
have submitted.
Which question?
After 10. I want to check my answer. Sir, you will send the answers on the group.
I will send the answer.
submitted. Sir,
Okay,
I have submitted.
Mashallah,
Sir,
please.
I have submitted.
Okay, mashallah, that's very nice. Please, after asking or saying, just immediately mute yourself. Okay.
Please show the screen after 10 questions. Sir, please show the screen after 10 questions.
Sir, how many students?
Okay, beta, I'm showing it to you. Wait. Okay. Is visible?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Sir.
forgot to write.
Yes. What you forget to write?
So it was hidden somewhere as in question number after 10 there
our period is going to over.
At
fourth
12:15.
one.
Beta, I already listen. I already minimize it and show it to all the questions in a single screen. Okay. If something is missing, okay, you have to tell me. You have to ask me.
Sir,
From a BHC.
sir, can I submit photo? Sir, can I submit pic of the test?
Please, your voice is not clear. Just please say it again, please.
Sir, can I send the pic of? Sir, can I submit the pic of the test?
You
Or I
can,
have to
you
make
can submit it.
PDF?
Either PDF or you submit it by taking the way. It's
Okay,
up to
sir.
you. Okay, whatever you it is easy to you. Go ahead.
Sir, class is going to be finished.
Alhamdulillah, I think your preparations of all the students are going very good. And
Sir,
yes, beta.
you will also take physics chapter 1 like this test. Please
Uh,
take.
I
It will
will.
be our revision.
Okay, beta. I will inform you. I will notify to the class whenever I'm going to take the test. And Alhamdulillah, I am very happy to. You are showing very good interest also, and you are doing well in chemistry. Alhamdulillah, I am very happy. Alhamdulillah.
Sir, I have sent my answer sheet on
Oh,
IMS Legal app.
Okay, Masha. Beta, one thing I want to tell.
So you can check.
I am saying to the whole class, please remember revise the things again and again on daily basis. Give 5 to 10 to 15 minutes to just revise the things, because these are the names of chemicals,
Okay, sir.
these are the names of medicines, these are the names of different types of glasses. Just go and revise the names because in this way you are every time you are ready for the test, and your preparation is 100% every time. Whenever test is going to be announced, you are totally mentally and physically you are prepared for that. Is it clear, beta, everyone? And I'm saying this to everyone, to the class.
Yes, sir.
MashaAllah, very good.
Sir, it is useful too in exams.
Exactly, it is useful. Whatever you are learning, it always uses in your life, in any part of your life. Okay, nothing is wasteful. Everything is utilized anywhere. Okay, your knowledge is the gate of the success. Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask that is there another group for new students?
New for new students?
No.
Yes, sir,
No.
for new students.
No, beta. Who says? I have don't any. I don't have any new group in my school app. Or how many new students are there? Beta, mute. Who is this?
Sir, I have tried to submit my assignment. I got that in notifications. So I have tried to submit my assignment. I have submitted it very well. Can you hear me? Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, beta. Yes. 13 students have submitted in girls on the girls side. Okay.
Sir, I tried. I have sent you on WhatsApp also. I tried
Sir,
to
can you
submit on.
please, sir, can you please say the names of the girls? Sir,
I am telling the names who didn't submitted. Zikra, Zainab,
Sir,
Shifa,
I have also submitted.
Please.
Sabra, Rufaida Manal, Naba Fatima.
Sir, can you tell who has submitted?
Many students have submitted. Yahya, Shariz, okay, Sara, Ruqayya, Rimsha, Nashra, Mantasha, Isma, Umaydullah, Fatima, Arqam, Anabia, Ayman. Okay.
Sir, I have also submitted.
Okay. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. So listen to me carefully. Only few minutes are left because meeting is about to Zoom meeting is about to over. Okay. Still you have 5 minutes. Okay. Yes.
I also have submitted the exam, the test.
Okay. Mashallah. Yes.
Please check
Your
my
okay. I will check
test.
it and I will post the answers also. Mashallah, your test is good. Most of your students done good. It do the rest very good. Alhamdulillah. Shows your good performance also. Okay.
Gold period is going to over.
What happened? Who
Sir,
is
you will
sick?
tell marks.
Huh?
You will tell marks.
I will tell the marks, obviously.
Sir, how much marks the paper was?
Beta, you didn't read the instructions carefully, I think. Huh? Everything is mentioned on the paper. It's written on the top also that it consists of 20 marks. Okay. And I just told it. The first section, the 10.
Your voice is not.
Beta, this side I am, all the students are listening my voices. Okay. And I'm replying them also. First part, give one word as consists of 10 questions. So it is of 10 marks. MCQ is of 5 marks and the fill in the blanks is of also 5 marks.
Sir, I have submitted on first on WhatsApp on personal contact to you, and now I have tried to submit on INSELT app, so I have submitted on both.
Okay, beta, that's good.